Regardless, it's gonna be so dangerous at that base. Obviously. Wait. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
What?
Oh my God! It's terrorist activity!
That is what do we do?
Mom, another plane just crashed into the other World Trade Center. Another plane hit a jet, a jumbo jet. I'm so scared. I'm leaving.
No, don't, Megan. You can't.
Bye. I love you.
Megan.
Mom, I don't care. I'm getting the phone.
Megan, please wait for me.
Take your camera. Get your cell phone. Oh my God! Get out of here!
Do we take the elevator?
I don't want to be on the 32nd floor of this building anymore. What happened?
How many planes crashed into two?
Yeah.
Another one.
And we saw the one hit the middle of it. And we're like, get the fuck out of here.